Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online classes. This is Dr. B. Mohan, lecturer in botany from TTWRDC, Kama Reddy. Today, I am discuss about the Lamiaceae family, vegetative and floral character. This is continuation of the previous class. I have already uploaded the Lamiaceae family systematic position, introduction, important plants, and their economic importance. Now we are discuss about vegetative characters and floral characters. Vegetative characters are mainly divided into habitat, habit, root, stem, and leaves. Floral characters are divided into inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, pollination, fruit, and seeds. Calyx means sepals, corolla means petals, androecium means male organ, gynoecium means female organ. Now let us discuss about vegetative characters one by one. Habitat. Most of plants are mesophytic plants, some of the aquatic and another some of xerophytic plant. Habitat. Most of the plants are herbaceous plant, some of shrubs, annual herbs and perennial herbs. Root system. The taproot system with branched but adventitious root present in Mentha arvensis. Mentha arvensis is a sucker plant. This plant contain every node some adventitious root. Stem. Stem is aerial, erect, and quadrangular shape. Quadrangular shape means this plant stem shows four angles. And every part of the plant contain hairy structure, pubescent glandular. This glandular gives a special type of aroma fragrance. Next, leaf. Leaf opposite decussate and simple leaves, exstipulate, petiolate, dentate margin. Now next, inflorescence. Common inflorescence in this family, dicaseal sign, but sometime special inflorescence also present, that is thyrsus and verticellaster. Thyrsus inflorescence present in Ocimum sanctum. Now this thyrsus inflorescence we are called also in mixed inflorescence. Verticellaster inflorescence present in Leucus aspera and Leonatis nepicifolia. These plants are contain verticellaster inflorescence. Next, flower. Flowers are bracteate, pedicellate, bracteolate, zygomorphic, and hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means male and female organs present in every flowers. And flower also complete, pentamerous and hypogynous superior ovary. Next, calyx. Calyx means cephals. Cephals are 5. Gamocephalous. These cephals are fused. Valvate estivation. valvate estivation. Corolla. Corolla means petals. These petals are 5 gamopetalous. These petals also fused. Imbricate estivation. Imbricate estivation. But in Ocimum sanctum, sepals are 1+4 manner and petals are 4+1 manner. That's why one large cephal in posterior side, remaining 4 cephals are small in anterior side, and petals are 1+4 manner. This one petals, large petals present in anterior side, remaining small petals are posterior side. Now I am taking Ocimum sanctum plant. This is twig, plant twig stem. Leaves are opposite decussate, simple leaves, dentate margins present, and inflorescence are thyrsus inflorescence. These thyrsus inflorescence we are called also mixed inflorescence. Mixed inflorescence means these inflorescence, dicaseal inflorescence, monocaseal inflorescence, panicle inflorescence. These 3 type of inflorescence contain in one thyrsus inflorescence, only one thyrsus inflorescence. That's why we are called in mixed inflorescence. These flowers arranged in acropetalous manner. Flowers arranged in acropetalous manners. Now let us single flower. This is a single flower. This pedicel. These are the sepals. 1+4 manner. 1 sepals large sepals. Remaining 4 sepals are small sepals. This is petals. 1 large petals. Remaining 4 petals are small petals. And these are the androecium. These androecium, these stamens are present in 4 in Ocimum sanctum. But in Salvia plant, stamens are only 2 present. Remaining 2 are reduced. So these stamens are 2 stamens are large and remaining 2 stamens are small. And 1 gynoecium present, stigma present, bifid stigma present. This is the LS of flower. LS of flower. These are the ovaries. This is a pedicel. This contain thalamus. And these are the cephals. Large lobe cephal. These are the petals. 1 large lobe petals, remaining small lobe petals. This is a bilobed style, bifid. These are the stamens. This is a gynoecium. Gynoecium present in thalamus and ovary also present. Between the ovary and thalamus, nectar like disc present. Nectar like disc present. This disc gives special type of aroma to attract the insect, pollination purpose. The gynoecium bicarpellary syncarpus, bilocular, actually bilocular but partial septate present in locules. That's why these locules show tetralocular manner. Axial placentation, hypogynous flower, ovary, superior ovary. Gynosium, actually bilocular gynosium but partially separate by septa. So